Hi there! Security cameras today are such a necessity. You want to check on your kids, your parents, your pets at home. You want to make sure your office and homes are safe when you aren't there. But setting them up could be such a task, especially during this COVID time when you want minimum contact with outsiders. But don't worry, we have a simple DIY budget solution, the Zebronics Zeb Cam 100, and you can get this for just 1699 rupees on Amazon. I've actually been using this for a couple of days and
yes, here it is. The footage you're seeing right now is being recorded on the Zeb Cam 100. It's recording at full HD. The audio also right now that you're listening is from the camera mic itself.
So let's review it so that you can decide if you should buy this or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So before we move ahead, here are some of its key features. 1000p Full HD live streaming and recording, motion detection alert, night vision support, two-way audio between phone and camera, micro SD card support up to 128 GB, supports Android and iOS devices. So here is the retail packaging. I've actually already unboxed this last week, but I'll still show you what comes inside. So of course right on the top is the camera module, a micro USB to USB cable, and an instruction setup guide. Alright, let's have a closer look at the camera. Let's remove this plastic. Alright, so the build is plastic, has this matte white finish, looks really nice and solid. On the back is the main speaker, the setup button, a micro USB port, an SD card slot. On the front is a 2 megapixel camera with mic, and here is a small LED indicator light and the Zebronics branding below. Inside the rim are the IR sensors which help the camera to see in the dark. Yes, the camera also comes with night vision support. I'll show you in just a moment. It has an adjustable stand at the bottom so you can place the camera anywhere. It also has provision on the stand to mount the camera to the ceiling or to the wall if you want. Alright, let's set it up. Plug in the micro USB cable to the camera and turn it on. You'll see the blue light. Download the Zeb Home app on your Android or iPhone. You'll need to log in or sign up if this is your first time using this app. Once done, click on Add Smart Cam. Reset the device and click Next. Enter Wi-Fi password. By the way, the camera only supports 2.4 GHz single band Wi-Fi. The app will ask you to scan the QR code on the Smart Cam. Just keep it in front of the camera, you'll hear a beep and the setup will complete in a few seconds. There you go. Here is a live feed coming from the camera. As you can see, this is really smooth. Of course, this completely depends on the internet speed. Alright, let's do some video test. First, we shall record in a normal indoor lighting settings and then in a totally dark room, as this camera also comes with night vision support.
Hi there. So this recording that you're seeing is from the Smart Cam, and this is indoors with average lighting, not very well lit but just okay lighting, and even the audio that you're hearing me right now is from the mic on the Smart Cam. So seems pretty okay to me. What do you say?
Now let's record in a dark room and see the night vision support.
Hey, I'm actually not even sure where the camera is. I'm in a pitch dark room and I believe it's quite clear to you. It's audible as well as quite clear. So camera works great even in the dark.
So even in pitch dark, the camera covers everything. Best part is you get alerts on your mobile when motion is detected. Alright, let's have a look at the interface of the app, and first thing you see is the live stream, and there you go. Hi! So it's absolutely lag free, which is good. Of course it totally depends on your internet speed, but it's really lag free, it's really clear. On the top right you can see it's written HD. You can click on it and you can toggle to SD. Now SD is for slower internet connections. For those who have slower internet connections, can switch to SD. If you have a faster internet connection, you can click on this again and it will become HD. On the right here is signal strength. Now this is the speaker to enable the speaker on the Smart Cam. So when you click on this, anyone speaking into the Smart Camera can hear on the phone. Hello. Hello, hello. That's one-way communication from the Smart Camera to the phone. This is to take a screenshot. You're taking a screenshot of this image. Here is a mic button, which is when you speak inside the phone, the other person towards the camera will be able to hear you. Hello, hello. So that comes very handy. And the next most important one is recording. When you click on this, it actually starts recording the live feed. It's recording on the phone right now. You can even choose to record it on the micro SD card, which is really good. Stop recording. This is full screen. There you go. Full screen streaming, which looks absolutely amazing. On the top here, you can go to albums. It'll show you all your streams, all your pictures, all your videos, everything directly in albums. Here in the settings, device information, basic function. Here you have status indicator. If you turn this on, you can see there's a blue light that is turned on the camera. You press this off and the light goes off. I would advise you keep it off because you don't want anyone to know that there is a camera here, obviously. Then there's an option called flip screen, which actually will flip the screen. It's gone upside down. Then you have time watermark. You can enable it one-way communication, or you can keep it two-way communication, but I rather keep it one-way, which is more like a walkie-talkie. And then you have IR vision. You can keep night vision on auto. When it gets dark, it turns on. You can turn it on or turn it off. I rather keep it on auto. Then you have detection alarm setting. So if you get some motion alerts, it will give you a notification on your phone, which comes very handy. You can actually even schedule it. So which means if suppose it's in an office or in a godown or at night, you can turn it on to schedule it at night. In case there's motion, it will inform you. Very, very handy. FAQs, firmware information, and remove device. So this is it, guys. Simple, easy to set up, easy to use. You can grab one from Amazon for $1,699 or from the Zebronics website. I'll leave the links below in the description. Feel free to check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.